We have more breaking updates coming in. Now, the Chief Minister, Eknath Shinde, is expected to ask for a cabinet berth for one of his MPs. They claim that they have the best strike rate among the NDA parties in Maharashtra. Also, the BJP had asked Chief Minister Shinde to change most of their sitting MPs, citing a survey. So the candidates in many of these seats were allocated or announced late, and despite that it has done well, which is why now the Eknath Shinde faction, the Shiv Sena, is seeking its pound in the flesh. So Shivani, the biggest challenge for the NDA is also going to be the expectations of the allies. As we are seeing already, Eknath Shinde seeking a cabinet berth and also saying, of course, that we have the best strike rate among all parties, and this is the reason why we need a larger chunk. So this is going to go in even in the seat sharing and any discussions that goes forward in the assembly elections.
Well, definitely, you will also understand, interestingly, few months back, it was Eknath Shinde who has compromised on multiple constituencies, multiple seats by giving it to the BJP. And that's why the weightage of Eknath Shinde's words are higher than anybody else in the alliance over there in Maharashtra. And that's why Sandipan Bhumre, one of the candidates of Eknath Shinde faction's Shiv Sena, has gained the highest number of votes across Maharashtra, and that is why it is Eknath Shinde's request that is going to put forth before the NDA alliance leaders that Sandipan Bhumre shall be provided a cabinet seat and cabinet expansion shall be done, because he has performed the best, his party has performed the best when it comes to the voting percentage, the winning percentage, and also the voting that they have got for this highest vote gainer candidate of theirs, Sandipan Bhumre. And that's why this letter will, or this suggestion will also be given by Eknath Shinde. But as we are seeing that there are other NDA alliance also, those are coming ahead and putting forth their demands before the top authorities and the top leadership of the BJP, and that's how now Eknath Shinde is also coming ahead, because we have to also understand that Eknath Shinde fought 7 seats but won 4 of it, and has also stated that the percentage could have gone even more if he was given or granted more number of seats by the BJP, which apparently did not happen in the past, and that is why his result or his percentage in the NDA in Maharashtra has been very good. Otherwise, it has to be the CM of the state who has to be answerable why his alliance is not gaining votes, why his alliance is facing criticism by the opposition, by the voters, by the citizens of the state. And that's why Eknath Shinde has come up with the strategy that how he can put forth before the top leadership of BJP that he has done good, he has performed well, his party has performed well, and that's why they need reward even after winning the 4 seats in Maharashtra.
Okay, all right. And we are speaking of the churn that Maharashtra has seen over the last few months and what it could probably see in the coming months as well, Rakesh. This comes while the India Bloc meeting is expected in the national capital, and Uddhav Thackeray, we are told, is not going to be in attendance. There are speculations that perhaps he could also be giving out feelers to the NDA. Rakesh?
Yeah, could you please repeat your question for me?
Rakesh, this speculation, of Eknath Shinde asking for one MP in the NDA government comes at a time when there are also a lot of questions on what will happen next when the Maharashtra assembly elections go on, because the discussions will go on. Is it going to spill over when the seat sharing talks happen as well? Interestingly, Uddhav Thackeray is going to be skipping the India Bloc meeting, so we're looking at another few months of big churn that's expected in Maharashtra ahead of the assembly polls.
Definitely, the results of the Maharashtra Lok Sabha will be having a very major and a very big impact on the upcoming assembly elections. And as far as the Eknath Shinde's demand is concerned, the experts are considering it as a pressure tactics by the Eknath Shinde, since he knows that the Prime Minister, the BJP, needs badly the support of the NDA alliance. And this is a time when the India alliance is getting stronger. So at this time, if they are demanding one cabinet post for Sandipan Bhumre, definitely it is going to play well with the Eknath Shinde. So this is a timing, this is a good timing as far as the Eknath Shinde's demand is concerned, and this is said to be the pressure tactics. On the other hand,
pressure tactics, Rakesh, interrupting you for just a moment, we have Shaina NC of the BJP joining us. Shaina, is this the challenge for the BJP, not just, of course, for the NDA to remain in power at the centre, but we're also looking at these challenges spilling over in the assembly elections in Maharashtra as well?
So please don't get into these kind of speculative debates. And when you call somebody, you must specify what you're asking a question on. I would only say this: Devendra Fadnavis is a fantastic leader, has led us in Maharashtra, and I don't want to make any speculative comments. Having said that, we as a party will always work for the better interest, as Prime Minister Modi has envisaged a Viksit Bharat, and in that spectrum, crores of Indian Karyakartas from Maharashtra and other states will continue to do so. Thank you.
Okay, all right. Shaina, thank you for joining us. So, Rakesh, just as you were saying, that for the BJP, this is something that they will have to keep in mind, not just in the centre, but also, of course, in the assembly elections. Lot more to discuss. Sources saying that Eknath Shinde has asked for one cabinet berth in the Modi government 3.0. Lots to discuss. The speculations are still going.